This is probably one of the most disgusting things about Asia, is they make you take your shoes off before you go in places, and then you have to go to the bathroom. We just got to Koh Phi Phi. We checked into our little hotel. It's called the Kitty Cat Hotel. Wow, gross. Anyways, this is a little alley I'm in. I am off to get myself a quarter pounder with cheese from McDonald's. Koh Phi Phi. I don't know what part of it. I'm so good at this. There are pretty flowers. Also, I'm just like blind walking around, so hopefully I figure it the fuck out. I'm such a fat, disgusting loser piece of shit, and I love it. 2 cheeseburgers, please. Staff wanted daily wages, free booze, free accommodation, guaranteed hangovers. Well, guess I'm moving to Thailand. We're going on a boat. I'll be in the back. Part of your YouTube channel. Are they loading whippets on the boat, or I've never done am I just like, you haven't? It's a party.
Am I famous?
Yeah.
This is wild.
Only half as famous as Nina.
Oh my god.
And a quarter as famous as Nicole's tits.
To follow today. Rule number 1, don't be a cunt. If you're a cunt to us, if you're a cunt to each other, if you're a cunt to anyone, we'll simply just start pouring less alcohol in your drinks, or if you're the biggest cunt on the boat, I'll just send you back to the pier on a long tail. Rule number 2, it sounds like common sense, but do not jump off the moving boat. We are alcoholics, we're not lifeguards, I can't save you, I can do my best to try, but I'll probably drown myself. The bar is going to open after Monkey Beach, that's just because like all of you monkeys are alcoholics, they will steal it, they will drink it, and we don't want that. If we have any bigger the hoop, bigger the hoe girls on this boat today, please take your hoops out, because they will try and steal them from you as well.
I like it, Russ. Don't kick me off for drinking my Gatorade. It's full of vodka. Tell me about the cave.
So the cave, I've heard stories that if any foreigner or a tourist goes in the caves, they're just going to get their head lynched. It's very secretive, so nobody knows really what goes on in there. No rumours and hearsay, but I don't want to die today, so.
Here we go. What should we do? Snorkel, paddleboard, kayak, jump off the boat, die, kill yourself? Go down. That's not actually what happened, but we're going with that story. No more self-confidence. I'm fucking
We're now pulling up to Maya Bay. This is where the beach was filmed with Leonardo DiCaprio in. It's a very famous beach, but there is one very strict rule here. It's not my rule, it's the National Parks rule. You cannot swim in the sea. You can only go up to your knees. Do not go any deeper than that. If you do, you'll hear a whistle. It comes from the National Guard, and he will fine you 5,000 baht. And nobody wants to pay that, do ya? No! Exactly.
I'm rich,
so,
I'm fun.
do not go in the sea, do not swim.
I'm so
okay?
poor.
Just
Please
paddle,
follow my
go up to your knees. No, we know the best place to get your best photos, your Tinder pics, your Grindr pics, your Hinge pics, your OnlyFans pics, whatever pics you want. We know where to get them, so just follow us down to the middle of the beach. Everybody always wants to go to the first spot, but that's shit because you don't get the proper views.
Oh, am I being weird?
Yeah, you're being weird. Now with the bucket hat. That's fucking weird to say to her. Yeah, in front of 200 kids.
Yeah, well, she's got some nobody else.
Bucket hat. What's that? Bucket hat, that's my preference. And she wants to find out. It's a fun.
No, I know.
My love!
You're in Thailand.
My love! I'll never forget you. I'm gonna be editing this and being like, shut the fuck up, you stupid bitch. Stupid bitch.
Yeah, you nailed it. It's exactly my thoughts. I was literally just thinking that and I said it. So, love that. The things I've cut out, not okay. If anyone stole my computer, jail.
Smitty friend. Do you have a cigarette? Are you smoking a cigarette, sir?
Let go.
You gotta go. You gotta go. Do you think I have a chance with Pete Davidson?
Statistically, no.
That's honestly super fair.
I'm just gonna be brutally honest with you. What the fuck is that?
It's a snake. You're gonna die.
Would it notify you if it was
Yeah, that's that.
Not me peeing, trying to get water out of my fucking ear. If this vlog sucks, go to Thailand yourself. Do it. Why are you here? Why are you watching this? Why are you mad? Why are you sitting there judging my life? Go to Thailand. Pee in a shitty toilet. Make sure you don't get robbed, because you might. And fuck off. Respectfully.
This is not a win for me.
I don't think so either, honestly. Mickey! I don't know how she convinced you to do this, but here we are.
jumped. You didn't actually have a choice.
I didn't choose this
Yes,
life. I didn't
no
choose
choice
this.
at all.
I'm looking for my wife.
She's
I
here.
don't know
She'll
where
come
she
here.
I hope she comes, because they forced me onto the water. Why am I not average?
Why are you not average? Because you're fucking wild, that's why. I'm not joking. My auntie would not approve.
Fuck your auntie. Definitely fuck the vape up now. These are our San Diego friends. We are about to get matching toasty grilled cheese tattoos. I'm so excited. Okay, so today is Thai New Year. This thing that's called Songkran, and it's pretty much like a ginormous water fight. And I am so goddamn hungover. My lashes, like, it's time to go. This morning I went out, tried to be a good spirit. I'm dying. I'm so hungover. I literally told someone to fuck off after they sprayed me with a water gun, and it's like, it's not really in the spirit of the new year. So that wasn't very cool. So I put myself in a little timeout. I came and had a nap. Now Nicole is out there. She texted me and said she's soaked. I'm also peeling like a motherfucking snake. So disgusting. But yeah, so she's coming back right now to get me, and we're gonna go out and explore more of Koh Phi Phi, even though I've already seen it a lot. I'm really excited. I'm really excited. I'm really not ready for this. Fuck my life, bro. Ready for this? No, I'm not ready for this. It's fucking cold. God. Full garbage bin. Oh, that's so cold. Not the garden hose. dyed purple now?
It was legitimately purple for like a month and a half. Nicole and I both had to get our hair professionally dyed to get the color out. So yeah, that was some fucked up. We don't know what that was. I think it might have been like food coloring, honestly. Like it was fucked.
Nick teaching how to roll a doobie.
So then you kind of want to make another fold so you have kind of like the space. And if you're going to do a cone, you want it to be smaller at one end and bigger at the other.
What is it? It's weird looking. We're going on a hike because we're healthy. And that's what healthy hot girls do. Little goat. Hi.
From the top of the earth, don't question the purpose. It'll give every last bit of my worth. That's what they deserving. The skeleton in me won't settle for dirt. So open them curtains. I could've got nervous. Instead I got dirty. Passion don't kill me, the peasants they feel me. I light up existence.
Can I do a margarita, please? Can I do a margarita, please?